Welcome to the Handpan School. Today I want to show you a very nice groove. This groove is working all kind of scales, but today we have a Amara. And yeah, let's start. So we're starting with the ding area, and it's always like right, right, left, right, right. So we play ding, thump, then the left thump, again the right thump, bam, 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 bam. And then in the end we add our right thumb again. So it's din, 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 with a little break between. Bam, 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 pause, bam, 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 pause, bam, 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 pause, bam, 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 pause, bam. I want to show you some variations because instead of have a pause, we can add a note, and the last note we can replace with another note, and then we have a very nice rhythm and kind of a melody already, and this sounds together very nice. So I play now bam, 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 pause, bam, 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 ding, ding, bam, 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 pause, bam, ding, ding, pause, bam. So instead of a pause, we can also add a clap to it. So you can hear, we can have now a really nice sandbox, we can play around with it, we can add a lot of different variations, yeah, just feel the groove and flow with it and have fun. And see you again.